Today we did the MRE challenge here at the California State Fair. It went really well. But my thought process on this whole meal was I like to cook seasonal. I like to use all the ingredients, which we did, and we put out a great dish. We had a lot of fun, and I think everybody else did too.
I thought the MRE challenge was probably one of the better challenges I had to face with coming into a kitchen. You're dealing with obviously a meal that's ready to eat, and you have to transform it into, you know, something else. I just try to think about what the person eating that MRE really might be looking for in terms of my finished product with the meal. You know, it would have been exactly what somebody would have been thinking out in the middle of nowhere. So that's kind of like my mentality, you know, like home cooking. I think that's what touches people most. I think if you can do something that really transcends, that almost like creates a memory, that's kind of how I try to go about it.